Hey guys, I'm Haley. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching IB Math Standard Level, Chapter 10, Section G2. I actually just got out the shower, so that's why my hair is all wet, but yeah, let's get going. But first I want to give a shout out to Gracy and Kylie, my only two fans. Kidding, not really. Hi. Okay, so first off, to start off, when you're using your calculator for trigonomic equations, make sure you go to your mode, and it's just right here next to the second button, but you'll click that and scroll down and make sure that it says your calculator, and it says your calculator is in radians. You just want to make sure that is highlighted wherever that is on your calculator. Okay, so our first example is 2 sine x minus cosine x is equal to 4 minus x. And so your only directions on this are to solve. And so to do that, you are going to put this into your calculator, which is why we had our calculator set into radians. So you're going to take your left side of the equation. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure this isn't blurry. But you're going to take the left side of your equation and put this into y1. And then your right side of the equation, put this one into y2. Okay, so you're just going to go to your calculator, hit y equals, it should be at the top on the very far left, and so on y1 you're just going to type in 2 sine x, and so x, if you're looking for that, x is directly under mode. So 2 sine x, close the parenthesis, minus cosine x. Again, close the parenthesis. And once you do this, you're just going to hit enter. So it'll take you to y2. And for y2, you're going to type in 4 minus x. Okay, hit enter again. Another pertinent part of this problem that I didn't write down was that it gave you an area for how far it wants your x to go on the x-axis. So for that, it gave you 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 pi. So that means it only wants you to find x values between 0 and 2 pi on the graph. So when you're going to go to your calculator and you're going to go back and you're going to hit window next to y equals, and your x min, you're going to put 0. Okay, so then your x max, you're just going to type in 2 pi. So you can hit 2 second caret button to get 2 pi, and hit enter, and it'll calculate it for you. So after you've done that, you're just going to hit graph. Oh, one sec. Okay, so for some reason my calculator, when I'm trying to graph this, is telling me that that it's an invalid dimension. This is actually really old. It was my brother, so I don't know if that has something to do with it. So I went to Desmos.com. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be difficult to see. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so I went to Desmos.com, and so basically I did the same steps. y1, I put in 2 sine x minus cosine x, y2, 4 minus x, and then you can actually go to the settings here if your calculator doesn't work either, and put in your x min is 0 and your x max as 2 pi. And so your next step to solve this is you're going to look and find the intersections. So as you can see, there's an intersection here, here, and here. So those are your X's. So if you would have if your calculator was working, you would hit second trace 5, and it would take you down to where it says intersect, and you would just move your cursor to where it looks like the lines are intersecting, and you just hit enter, like get, so 3 times, so it'll guess the area of where they intersect and give you a point. Since we're using I am using Desmos, I will show you how to do it with this. So if you just wave your cursor, you can actually kind of put a point there. And I mean, they're kind of just estimations. So if your friend's answer is like a 10th or 100th of a decimal off from yours, it's not as big of a deal because they're not exact answers. So this first point we have here says 1.817. So I'm just going to round that and say that this X is equal to 1.82. Okay, so we're going to go to our second intersection, which is right about here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the second intersection, and so our second intersection is X equals 3.275, but I'm going to round that to 28. Okay, so we have one more intersection in our window of 0 to 2 pi, and that is right there at the very edge. So if you click on that, it says 5.806. So I'm going to round that to 5.81. And so this is our answer. So I'm going to recap on the steps. You will take your problem, set whatever is on the left side of the equation, or vice versa. It isn't a it's not a big deal. So you're going to set whatever is on this side of the equation equal to y1, and you're going to set whatever is whatever is on the other side of the equation equal to y2. And then you're just going to go to whatever your scale is, or whatever they want your X to be between. That's what your X max and your X min will be. And then to get your answer of what X equals, if you're using a calculator, you will go to second trace 5 to scroll and find the intersections. However, if you're like me and your calculator isn't working, or you just don't have one, and you can use Desmos.com, Desmos.com. I'll link it down below. But you'll do that, and you'll just move and click your mouse on wherever the intersections are. And remember, on Desmos too, you can go to your settings and change your X min and X max so you can make sure you're looking within the proper window. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe. You can also comment down below if you have any questions, or if you have like a certain other topic that you want me to go over. I'm also going to link Desmos.com down below if you need that for graphing. But thank you for watching.